bought a boat. We're up to something again. Yeah, I just bought it. But not for the boat. Of course, the boat comes with it. I bought it for the trailer. All right. Suppose we should pull it? Here we go.
All right.
All the way up. Looks like it might want to come back just a little. We'll see what happens here. Can you clutch it back just a little?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. All right, watch you. Got it.
Maybe. I barely touched the gas right there.
What's going on up there, Chad?
According to this, we're traveling at 0 knots.
Free step ladder. This is nice.
Any fishing poles out of the deal?
Golly.
Well, she really is yar.
But it looks like there's enough accessories in here.
Yeah. Looks like you got plenty of rope.
Those are not ropes, those are lines.
Oh, throw that line.
Or sheets.
Watch out for that line. Yeah.
Or sheets.
Pull the sheets.
Yeah, pull the sheet. Pull the sheet.
Sound like bullshit. What is this, so you can remember how many days you've been out here?
Curtains, okay?
Oh, okay. No, I thought it might have been some Chinese people that owned it. Doing math up here.
Doing math. That's so you could calculate how many nautical miles you traveled.
I guess it's got a little leak over there.
Breaker 19, breaker 19. Oh, that's trucker talk, not boater talk. I don't know how to do that.
Whatever the name of your boat is. You know. Like, this Sea Serpent to Coast Guard. Sea Serpent to Coast Guard. Mayday.
All right. Anything going to blow out of here?
I don't think so. I think she's nothing. Anybody to raise any fuss about, I reckon.
There's a thing or two in here. Let me set some of this stuff down.
Got it.
That works better than any key.
Whew.
Little
Still hot. On and off.
All right, brother. What do you think? I really don't understand this boat. I think it's a racer. Alrighty then. I don't understand everything I see. Whatever it is, or was, it's mine now. Come on up here, Brent.
What do you got up there? Just open cockpit. And wooden floor.
Yeah, it's gone, and a lot of this deck is rotted too.
For the most part, fiberglass deck though.
It's on a balsa core.
So is it salvageable?
Oh yeah, it's all salvageable. The forensic on this is going to be as fun as anything. There's more little gadgets and gizmos. There's a cockpit seat right here.
Yeah.
This must be where you drive it.
Or this.
No, that's not it.
Is that not your steering wheel?
No. That's not a steering wheel.
Where's your rudder control?
I ain't figured it out. I think it's roped. I think this is the tiller head here.
You could probably...
Yeah, there's your tiller head there.
Okay, here's something here.
That's a traveler for the main... The mast step. Where's the mast step? I think it's right here. Right here on top of the keel. It drops down in there. So you're actually sitting with your legs on either side of the mast. I bet this thing was a ripper.
Is that German writing?
Don't get me lying.
Huh.
Lift nu het is veel. Later, dude. I think that translates into later,
My
dude.
54th boat in 85 years, all for Claire.
Oh, for Claire.
Claire. Okay. So
So we need to find out who Claire is and who built these and figure out what this thing used to be and see if we can turn it back into that.
So is this a homemade boat?
I think so. And look at this trailer. You see, it is the old hot dipped galvanized, back when galvanized was galvanized.
Mm-hmm.
There's not a spot of rust anywhere on it, not one. Which is why I bought the boat, because I wanted the trailer. I thought I could turn it into something that I could go down to Dolphin Island and get my A30 Saucy on. But if this boat proves to be unique enough to justify custom building a trailer like this, maybe we ought to just restore it and let it be what it is.
It said it was a 54th boat.
54th boat in 84 years for Claire.
That's locked, isn't it? So this is probably your sails and...
Yeah, that boom might be in there too, I don't know.
Yeah. Or in there.
So we'll get it home and we'll do a little more forensics. Sound like a deal?
Yeah.
How about 2 sailboats? 2 more sailboats. Hey Colin, why did you buy 2 more sailboats? Because I needed a trailer to go down to Dolphin Island and pick up Saucy. Looked all over the internet for a trailer. Couldn't find one decent for less than $10,000. Came across these at an auction up here. I'll let you guess how much I paid for them. One of these trailers is going to go with me down to Dolphin Island and get that Alberg 30. And I'll have 3.